everyone. In this video, let us see how you can sign up with TaskBot. So before we get started, let's take a quick look about what TaskBot is. So TaskBot is an AI-powered workspace automation platform which is designed to simplify how teams manage tasks, communication and workflows all in one place. Now instead of juggling multiple tools, TaskBot lets you create, track and automate your work seamlessly with built-in integration like WhatsApp and smart AI assistant that helps you to move faster with less efforts. So now let's walk through how to sign up on TaskBot. So as soon as you land on the sign up page, you will see a clean interface prompting you to verify your WhatsApp number. So this is the first step to get started. So basically we will add our WhatsApp number, and after that we will click on send OTP via WhatsApp. So the OTP has been sent. We will go to our WhatsApp and check what the OTP is, and we will enter it over here and then click on verify and continue. So after this, you will be guided to the next step, which is entering your details. So you have to fill in the required information such as your name, email address, what the password you want to keep and confirm the password. So let's add our details. Let's add our email. Then we will set up a password and we will confirm our password. And after that, we will click on create account. So you can save it. And now you have to set up your workspace. So we will enter our workspace name. So let's keep it for an example, Infosys. And you can brief about your workspace. So it is a IT company and we provide SaaS platform. So I have written about my company, then I will click on next. And now AI is analyzing your workspace. So this will generate the departments that are suitable as per your business. And if you want, you can select the platform, you can select the departments from here. So let's click view and click on add departments. And after that, your setup has been completed. It was very quick setup. And then you will simply click on launch task manager and you will be directed to the dashboard of the TaskBot. So, and just like that, in a couple of minutes, your workspace is ready, structured, responsive, and tailored to your needs. So that is how effortlessly you can sign up and get started with TaskBot. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.